It's like literally right, yeah.
We're gonna go over it again. Whoa.
Whoa.
Look at the size of it.
Jesus, that thing's huge.
Look at this.
Huh.
Look at the cobia swimming around him. Yeah. He's gonna come hang out. I'm catching a whale shark.
Yeah, okay.
Look at the size of his mouth.
It's huge.
Oh my god! Look at the size
Holy
of him!
crap. This is so big.
Damn. I'm getting so good pictures. Look at this. Look at the cobia swimming.
God, they're
with him.
huge.
How cool would that be if we got pictures swimming with them? You can snorkel with them. You can jump in right now. They're gentle.
I ain't jumping in there.
Your camera recognized the whale shark. What? Your camera recognized the whale shark. It like
The whole school's fish swimming right behind it.
Facial recognition things. Cobia, love these things.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Ooh, ooh! I think he went after it.
Oh. I think they bite a fin. Jesus, what is this?